Corvette, Ferrari. Just saying the names gives you goosebumps, doesn't it? One, a red-blooded American hero. The other, an Italian stallion dripping in style. They are more than just cars, they are legends. For decades, these two have duked it out on tracks and in the hearts of enthusiasts. The Corvette, a symbol of American muscle and attainable performance. The Ferrari, an exotic masterpiece, synonymous with speed and luxury. But which one reigns supreme? Buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into the ultimate showdown, C8 Corvette versus Ferrari. Let's see which one comes out on top. Get ready for tire smoke, roaring engines, and some serious car envy. This is going to be epic. Let's talk horsepower, shall we? The C8 Corvette packs a serious punch with its rumbling V8 engine. It's got the power to rocket you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a heart-stopping 3 seconds flat. But don't underestimate the Italian stallion. Ferraris are renowned for their screaming engines and blistering acceleration. We're talking about numbers that'll make your head spin. But raw power is only half the story. The Corvette boasts impressive handling thanks to its mid-engine design. It hugs corners like a dream, making you feel like a racing pro. Ferrari, however, has a few tricks up its sleeve. Years of racing heritage have resulted in cars with razor-sharp reflexes and unmatched agility. So who takes the crown in this category? It's a close call, folks. Both contenders deliver a thrilling performance that will leave you breathless. Now for the eye candy. The C8 Corvette is a head-turner, no doubt about it. Its sharp lines, aggressive stance, and aerodynamic curves scream speed and performance. It's a modern take on a classic design, but then there's the Ferrari. Oh, the Ferrari! Its sleek, sculpted body is a work of art. From its iconic grille to its flowing silhouette, every inch exudes elegance and power. The Corvette's interior is driver-focused, with all the latest tech and gadgets at your fingertips. It's comfortable, functional, and undeniably cool. Ferrari, on the other hand, offers a luxurious cabin crafted from the finest materials. It's all about Italian craftsmanship and attention to detail. Which one wins the beauty contest? It's subjective, of course. Do you prefer American muscle or Italian finesse? Let's face it, folks, owning a supercar doesn't come cheap. But here's where the Corvette throws a curveball. It offers incredible performance and head-turning looks at a fraction of the cost of a Ferrari. Ferrari, as you might expect, comes with a hefty price tag. We're talking about a significant investment, even for those with deep pockets. But you're not just paying for a car. You're buying into a legacy of exclusivity and prestige. So, which one offers the best bang for your buck? The Corvette, without a doubt. It's a performance bargain that's hard to beat. But if money is no object and you crave the ultimate status symbol, then a Ferrari might be calling your name. Section 5, a tale of two cities, Detroit muscle meets Italian flair. The Corvette is built in America with a history as long and winding as Route 66. It's a car designed for wide open spaces and straight-line speed. Think cruising down the Pacific Coast Highway with the wind in your hair. Ferrari, on the other hand, hails from Maranello, Italy, a place where passion and precision collide. These cars are made for winding mountain roads and challenging racetracks. Imagine carving through the Alps, the engine roaring through every hairpin turn. The Corvette is all about raw power and accessible performance. It's a car that puts a smile on your face every time you get behind the wheel. Ferrari is about more than just speed. It's an experience. It's about the sound, the feel, the history. It's about living the Italian dream, even if it's just for a fleeting moment. Section 6, Corvette's corner grip, grit and glory. Let's give the Corvette its due. This car can handle. Its mid-engine design gives it incredible balance and agility. You can throw it into corners with confidence, knowing it'll stick like glue. And don't forget about that powerful V8 engine. It delivers instant acceleration, pinning you back in your seat with every press of the pedal. It's a visceral experience that's hard to match. The Corvette is a driver's car. It's responsive, engaging, and a whole lot of fun to drive. It's a car that makes you feel alive. Section 7, Ferrari's finale. passion on wheels. Now, for the Italian stallion, Ferraris are in a league of their own when it comes to performance and handling. These cars are designed to be pushed to the limit, and they respond with breathtaking precision. The engine notes are like music to a car enthusiast's ears, from the high-pitched wail of a V12 to the throaty growl of a V8. Ferraris are known for their unmistakable soundtracks. Driving a Ferrari is an event. It's about experiencing the culmination of decades of racing heritage and engineering excellence. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible. Section 8. The verdict and the winner is... So, there you have it. The C8 Corvette and the Ferrari. Two incredible cars, each with its own unique character and appeal, but which one comes out on top? If you're looking for pure performance and value, the Corvette is the clear winner. It offers incredible bang for your buck and a driving experience that will leave you grinning from ear to ear. But if you're looking for something truly special, something that transcends mere transportation, then the Ferrari is the only choice. It's an icon, a legend, and a dream come true for car enthusiasts worldwide. The truth is, there's no wrong answer here. It all comes down to personal preference and what you're looking for in a car. Section 9. The open road awaits. No matter which car you choose, one thing's for sure, you're in for the ride of your life. So get out there, hit the open road, and experience the thrill of driving these automotive masterpieces.